Domestic flights are starting from today. So far as the other flights are concerned, and the data that we have, as I've told you on many occasions,
International flight like
1st of June from UAE, Tieta. So I think the department is in the process of, the state government in coordination with the central government is in the process of resuming or otherwise some flights, repatriation of those people who are stranded in other parts of the world. So त्यांच्या खातीरचे जे फ्लायट अरेंजमेंट जो आसा तो वर्कआउट करप चालू जाल्लें आसा. सो डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट फ्लायट जी आसा ती गोवा एअरपोर्टाचेर येता UAEच्या. सो बाकीचे मागीर टायम टेबल जशें येतले तशें कळटलें तुमकां. जशें जशें टायम टेबल येतलें पळय न्ही तुमकांच पयलीं कळटलें, म्हाका मागीर कळटलें. म्हाका खबर ना रे. आय हॅव नो आयडिया, नॉट सी दॅट. थँक्यू. म्हाका दिसता की these are the we have to identify, we have to look at it from this angle. SOP ड्राफ्ट करप, SOP करप हें सगळें कोविडाचें जें सिच्युएशन आसा पळय तेजे खातीरचे एक्सपर्ट्स आसात, तेजे खातीरचे बॉडीज आसात, तेजे खातीरचे कमिटीज आसात ते मेळून करतात. सो डेफिनेटली ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान सुद्दां काल हेज्या संबंदांतले क्लॅरिफाय केल्लें आसा. सो म्हाका तेजेर आनी चड उलोवपाचें ना.
Sir, one more thing is that there are around 60 goals in Maldives. We have been trying to contact the chief minister, his office. I don't know, even they have tried to.
Yeah, they have contacted me.
Waiting for this flight or anything to come back to Goa. So how we are.
See, we have already shared this information with the Union External Affairs Ministry, and we have told them, briefed them about it. कारण कांय जाण जे आसात ते थंयच्यान जी एक मालदीवच्यान शीप आयिल्ली तेजेर कांय जाण आयिल्ले आसात एक, आनी आतां वो तांणी म्हटलां की हेजे संबंदांतले अरेंजमेंट जे आसा ते आमी बेगिनात बेगीन करता म्हणून.
So that means these things will work out for them.
Definitely. They have been working out. So what is working out should be also appreciated.